Hello, good evening to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. This is Rajib Datta in front of you. I took on the 100 video challenge in 100 days. Dear listeners, I'm still learning English. Please forgive me if I make any mistake. My today's topic is about television. Television is one of the most popular inventions in the world, and it has changed the way people get information and entertainment. With a television, we can watch news, movies, sports, and educational programs at home. It helps people learn about new things, different countries, and cultures without traveling. Children enjoy cartoons and learning programs, while adults watch news, shows, and sports to stay informed and relaxed. Television is also very helpful for students because they can watch educational channels and programs to improve their knowledge. It brings families together when they watch their favorite programs and enjoy time together. However, watching too much television can be harmful for your eyes and can waste time. Therefore, we should watch television wisely and use it mainly for learning, entertainment, and staying updated with the world. Thanks for listening patiently. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.